Hi, welcome back. I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. All of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. We are happy to announce that now we are going to provide a online training for the students who are going to appearing for GATE and engineering service examinations. Now, about myself, I G Venkata. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. At present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada, and my specialization is VLSI design. Now, just we'll look on how to get this Unacademy learning app into our device. Just go to Play Store in your device, type Unacademy in that. It will shows the Unacademy learning app like this. Just click on this install button. It will install the Unacademy learning app into your device. Okay, now here I am showing some of the top educators from Unacademy. See this Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper. Ankit Goyal sir, he got 2 times All India first rank in GATE Electrical, and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. Next, Sanchit Jain sir, he is the computer science faculty having a teaching experience of more than 8 years, and he is a very sound experience in teaching students. Now Jaspal Singh sir, he is ex-IAS officer and All India rank is 4th. His All India rank is 4, and he is ex-senior medicine faculty. So because of these things, we are going to claiming that our faculty or our educators are top educators. Our faculty are top educators, and a few of the experienced faculty also is there. Here are few more top educators from Unacademy. Now, there is a engineering service test series we are going to be conducting for 2021. In this 10 questions we are giving and 20 minutes of duration. 10 questions, 20 minutes of duration. It is going to be conducting on for mechanical 22nd and 29th March, electrical 23rd and 30th March, civil 24th and 31st March, electronics and communication engineering 25th March, general studies 26th March. And these tests was curated by the best educators, and it is designed as per the changing demand for engineering service examinations, as well as all India live ranking is provided if test is taken live. If you are taking test live, All India live rank is provided to you. And don't forget to use my code to unlock the exam. Use my code VROUT10. Next, there is a full length mock test we are conducting on 21st and 28th of March at 10 a.m. for mechanical, electrical, civil and electronics and communication engineering students. Here there are 150 questions are there and 180 minutes of duration for that. Okay, and these are curated by the best educators, and All India live ranking is provided if test is taken live, and designed as per the changing demand for engineering service examinations. Now, so there is a golden opportunity for civil engineering students. Okay, now they are taking the topic, and there is a discussion on the topic on each day with the Jaspal Singh sir. So crack your engineering service with the Jaspal Singh sir. There is a free test series is there with the Jaspal Singh sir. So civil engineering students, please utilize this facility, and don't forget to use my code VROUT10 to unlock the test. Next, Ultimate 10 SSC series. Now we are going to SSC. So in that 10 questions, 20 minutes of time. Now this is on 1st March, 4th March, 9th March, 12th March, 17th March. The timings are 10 a.m. Okay, this is for mechanical engineering students. This is designed as per the changing for demand for SSC. Okay, and this test you can attempt even after the live test session also. For completion of live session also, you can take this test. Next, Ultimate 10 SSC series, same for electrical engineering. There are 10 questions and 20 minutes of time. Now the timing of this one is at 10 a.m. it is going to start. 2nd March, 5th March, 10th March, 15th March and 18th March it is going to be conducting. Okay. Now the same way we are going to civil engineering also is there for 10 questions and 20 minutes of time. These are the timings is 10 a.m. Now dates are 3rd March, 8th March, 11th March, 16th March and 19th March. Okay. Next. So next, GATE. So this is a kickstart your GATE 2022 preparation. So 10 questions, 20 minutes of time for mechanical engineering, electrical, computer science and IT department, chemical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering. It is on every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 10 a.m. It is going to be conducting. Okay. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during to unlock the examination. Next, we are happy to announce that recently we started 2 new batches, for one for GATE 2023, other one is for GATE 2022. There is a Ascend batch for GATE 2023. Okay, Ascend batch for GATE 2023. This is for mechanical engineering and it was started from 22nd February 2021. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Now there is a Evolve batch for GATE 2022. This is also for mechanical engineering. It was also started from 22nd February 2021. Okay, and the same faculty who are handling these subjects in GATE 2023, the same faculty are handling these subjects in this one also. So next we are moving to there is a mission DDR for mechanical engineering students. This is for GATE 2022. It was started from 22nd February 2021. Now the intention in this batch is every student of this batch has to get a top rank. With that intention we started this batch. Now the top educators in this is Tiwari sir, Uma Maheshwara sir, Nenu Gupta ma'am, Aman Raj sir. And Uma already I given information about Tiwari sir. He is the IIT topper. And Uma Maheshwara sir is the top, well experienced top faculty in mechanical department. So these faculty and students who are staying at south side, sir is a well-known, famous personality in mechanical engineering at south side. Now there is a Spark batch for GATE 2022 for civil engineering students. This is only for English batches. It was started from 22nd February 2021. Now There is a ascend batch for GATE 2023 for civil engineering. It was started from 8th February 2021. Okay, so in this batch, Jaspal Singh sir is there. Okay, now here are the top educators who are handling these subjects in this batch. Now there is a evolve batch for GATE 2022 for civil engineering itself. It is okay. This batch was started from 8th February 2021. So the faculty who are handling these subjects in GATE 2023, the same faculty are handling these subjects here, GATE 2021, 22. Okay, and don't forget to use my code VROW10 during subscription. Now, there is a evolve batch for GATE 2022. There is a evolve batch for GATE 2022 for computer science and information technology. It was started from 8th February 2021. Here are the top faculty and top educators who are involved in this batch, who are handling the subjects in this batch. Ravindra Babu sir is there. Ravindra Babu sir is the a well famous personality in computer science engineering department. He is the first faculty who started online training for GATE for computer science students. He is the alumni of IIC Bangalore, and most of the students who done their MTechs in computer science in IITs and NITs are the students of Ravindra Babu sir. That is the profile of Ravindra Babu sir. Next, there is a ascend batch for GATE 2023 for electrical engineering. Here are the top faculty who are handling these subjects in that. This batch started from 1st February 2020. Now we move to electronics and communication engineering. Here also there is a ascend batch for GATE 2023 electronics and communication engineering, and this batch was started from 1st February 2021. And don't forget to use my code VROW10 during subscription. Don't forget. So next, there is a evolve batch for GATE 2022 for electrical engineering. This batch started from 1st February 2021. The faculty who are handle these subjects in GATE 2023, the same faculty are handling these subjects here also. Don't forget to use my code VROW10 during subscription. Now we are moving to electronics and communication engineering department. There is a evolve batch for GATE 2022 for electronics and communication engineering, and this batch started from 1st February 2021. And don't forget to use my code VROW10 during subscription. Next, there is a evolve batch for GATE 2022 for chemical engineering students. Okay, here are the top educators who are handling these subjects in this batch, and this batch started from 25th January 2021. Now, just we glance what are the different engineering disciplines available in Unacademy for GATE and engineering service examinations. Electronics and communication engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and IT departments, instrumentation engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, Last but not least, production and industrial engineering. These are the different engineering disciplines available in an academy for GATE and engineering service examinations. Now, there are two plans basically available in an academy. First one is the plus plan or plus subscription. Second one is iconic subscription. Plus subscription or plus plan is the basic plan to get you started. And in iconic plan, we are providing a personal coach to you. In iconic plan, we are providing personal coach to you. Okay, by providing a personal coach to you, we will take your preparation to the next level. Now, what we are doing with that personal coach? See this. Just now, these are the common things in both. India's best educators are handling your classes here also, and there are interactive live classes is there in both the case. Structured courses and PDFs, yeah, both. Live tests and quizzes are there in both. But here we are going to showing the difference. Once you've written one exam or one test you've written or one quiz you attempted, from your answer sheet, we will analyze where you are strong, where you are committing mistakes, where you need much preparation. So everything we analyze, that work is taken care by our personal coach. For every individual student, we are giving one personal coach. Now, after that, they based on all those things, that analysis, they will prepare a study planner to you. And with that study planner, they will provide proper study material to you. By following these two, every student can get success in their examinations. Okay, so that means we are going to identifying the gaps in your preparation and we are trying to fulfill those gaps. That is our intention to provide personal coach. Okay, now just a quick glance, what are the cost for each and every plan? Okay, now plus plan is available for different subscriptions. There is a 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 6 month subscription, 1.5 year subscription, 1 year subscription, 1.5 year subscription, and 24 months. That means 2 year subscription. And the beauty here is EMI option also available to you. EMI option also available. And as a faculty, I recommend the students to take minimum of 1 year subscription, because 1 year is required minimum to complete the preparation of all these subjects and to identify where you are lagging. That means by writing more number of examinations, you need to analyze your answers, you need to identify the gaps in your preparation. That is the intention there, to identify the gaps in your preparation and to fulfill those gaps. You need minimum of 1 year time. So my dear students, please think once of it and take a right decision. And one more thing, if you observe it, by using my code VRAO10 during subscription, you get it by 27,225 rupees only. And this cost is more or less the amount equal to the, or more or less just little bit 3 to 4,000 difference only. The transportation charge, what you need to spend by to travel from your home to a location where you need to take a training. You joined outside to take offline training, throughout year you need to transport. You need a transport facility. For that transport, you need to spend this much amount approximately. Just by adding 2 to 3,000 to that, you get this option. You get this subscription. With this subscription, by staying at your home, by staying in your room, in your mobile or in your laptop or desktop, you can get everything. India's top educators classes for all subjects you can get, and you can attempt more number of examinations by staying at your home itself. And most important thing is, no need to do any travel for transport every day. For 1 day transport, or for one class if you want to attend, for transport you need to spend a minimum of 2 to 2.5 hours. Now you can spend that hour for your preparation. See, weekly you are getting nearly 5 hours, monthly 20 plus hours, yearly 240 to 300 hours. 300 hours of preparation, 300 hours nearly you are spending for only for transport. What about your preparation? What about your engineering? Maybe you may be a third year or final year student. So, and that too, the outside situation is not good. COVID pandemic is there at outside. In this pandemic, try to restrict your movement. Now, by joining this course, get the benefits, get the fruits. Okay. We are going to Iconic Plan. In Iconic Plan, it is available in two subscriptions, 1 year subscription and 2 year subscription. 1 year subscription cost is 50,000 to 50 rupees, and 2 year subscription is 74,000. By using my code VRAO10 during subscription, you get it by 45,000 to 25 rupees only. This is the amount, just more or less close to the amount what you need to pay at outside institutions to take offline training. Okay, now for that, with that amount only, here you are going to getting one personal coach for you, especially for you. For each and every individual student there is a personal coach. He will take care of complete your preparation. He is like a mentor. He will guide you how to prepare, where you are, how your preparation is going on for this subject, how you are, what is your progress in this subject, how you are. He will identify the gaps in your preparation and fulfill those gaps by providing a proper guidance to you, by mentoring properly to you. So my dear students, please don't waste your time. Discuss with your friends, family members and the faculty who are having knowledge on GATE and engineering service examinations. Discuss with them and take a right decision. That decision will change your life, and your life should turn in a beautiful way, and you should live happily. That is our intention. And join our plan, join Unacademy. In Unacademy, enjoy the subject. You know that taste of the subject is, you can't compare the taste of the subject with any other tastes. There are so many different tastes in your universe, but you can't compare the taste of, in my life I taste my best taste is I get from my mother. Second best taste I got is from my children. Third best taste in my life is subject. After my family, I get the best taste from subject. Not any food, not any no satisfaction nowhere anywhere. But once I get the subject properly, once I taken a particular problem and I taken that as a challenge, I worked on it and I get the solution for that in a proper way. The test is different. So my dear students, please you also take the test of that. Once you test the test of that, no one has to guide you. No need to have any guidance to you. You will move like a missile. Okay. So please take a right decision, and that decision has to change your life in a good direction. Thank you. Thanks for spending time. Now we are moving to our topic. Our topic is a JFET. Already some portion of JFET we completed in previous sessions. Now I'm going to continue from that session. Okay. So just a minute. Thank you, sir. Thanks for waiting. Now I'm directly taking you to that slide where we are. Last case, last session. Yeah. Yeah, this is our last session. GM is GM not into 1 minus VGS by VP. So, and the different forms of GM here we defined. This is the plot for GM. Now we go and derive an equation for pinch off voltage. Now I'm going to deriving an equation for pinch off voltage. Okay, equation for pinch off voltage. So today's session we go for that. Equation, pinch off voltage equation. Equation for pinch off voltage. Say this. First I'm going to drawing the FET, JFET what we have. See this. This is P plus and this is the channel. We have a complete work, a complete controlling mechanism takes place in the current in channel region only. In channel region only. Because of that, I'm going to taking only this part. I'm writing that part here. I'm drawing that portion only. So the channel is like this. It is like this. So this is P plus diffusion, sorry, P plus doping. So this is P plus material, gate, one side of the gate, and this is the another side of the gate, P plus. So it is P plus, it is P plus. Now there is a depletion region at both sides because it is lightly doped n-type semiconductor. Lightly doped n-type semiconductor. Now P plus and N, there is a depletion region. And one more thing, so I'm going to take the copy of this for future reference. Yeah. Now, see this? There is a, okay, it is a lightly doped n-type semiconductor. Lightly doped n-type semiconductor, and this is the depletion region on both sides. Now if you observe one thing, one important thing, this is the complete channel available. This is the complete channel, full channel. And after depletion region, this is the net channel available. Now this is the so I'm taking it as 2A because everything we mentioned from center point. Now this is 2B. It means see this? Let us take this is the center line. Now this part is this is A, and similarly this is B. Yeah, this is A, this is B. So A is the complete channel available, so the maximum channel or complete channel, and 2B is the net channel. Okay, net thickness of the channel. Now this is the length of the channel this side. It is length of the channel L. Length of the channel L. So here L is length of the channel. Length of the channel, and 2A is full channel, full thickness of the channel. Thickness of the channel. The channel. And 2B is net thickness of the channel. Thickness of the channel. net thickness of the channel. Okay, now see, after depletion region width, this is the channel available, and I'm writing this one also. This is the depletion region width. This is depletion region. Depletion region. So here also it is depletion region. So let us take the width of the depletion region is a W naught this side, and this side also it is a W naught. Now we can write A is equals to W naught plus B, because you are saying it is B. This is A and this is B you are taking. This is a W naught. So A is equals to B plus W naught. So I am writing that A is equals to B plus W naught. Okay. Now from this we can write B is equals to A minus W naught. Take A common in this if you require. 1 minus W naught by A. Just hold it. Okay, now I am taking this part. Okay, so now this is the picture. So in this, in this there is a depletion region here. Here also depletion region is there, and I'm taking the three-dimensional representation for better understanding of the operation of this. Three-dimensional representation I'm taking. So this is P plus. Similarly, this is P plus. This is the depletion region, W naught. This is also depletion region, W naught. Okay, now I am taking the values, and let us assume this width is, the width of this one is Z. The width of this one is, let us take it as Z. Width is Z. And let us take this side, it is connected to, and this is one terminal and this is the another terminal. Okay, and let us take, this is a drain, this is drain end, this is the source end, and we are connecting source to ground. We are connecting source to ground. Source to ground. This is the drain end, and the voltage what we are applying here is, our intention is to calculate the pinch off voltage, and this is the depletion region with W naught. Here is the depletion region with W naught, and this is Z, and we know that this is going to be 2A and center line I am taking for better understanding purpose. This is just for better understanding purpose, sir. This one. Now this is 2a, and but this is going to be only a. This is going to be a, and this is going to be b. This is a, this is b. This is a W naught. Now this is our gate terminal. Gate terminal it is. Now we are applying a voltage VGS between gate to source, and we are keeping VDS constant. VDS constant. Just by increasing VGS in a negative direction, the depletion region width W is going to be increasing. Now I am changing the W naught to W because applying reverse voltage. Okay, applying reverse voltage. See this. We know the equation for W. Depletion region width W is now see this. This is our diagram. Now here what we observed is, we know depletion region value. We know depletion region width across a PN junction diode is square root of 2 epsilon by Q into 1 by NA plus 1 by ND into V naught. This is under open circuit conditions. This is for open circuit, under open circuit. Okay, in reverse bias, the depletion region with W naught is, W is square root of 2 epsilon by Q into 1 by NA plus 1 by ND into V naught plus applied reverse voltage. Now I am going to applying this equation of W to this diagram. By increasing the applied VGS, in a reverse direction, depletion width is increasing. That means W is increasing in this direction. Okay, and pinch off takes place whenever W is equals to A. That means from this side it is increasing, as well as from this side also W is increasing. Okay, from this side it is increasing, and this side also it is increasing. Finally, total channel is going to be filled by depletion region. Finally, total channel is filled by depletion region. Then only we are calling it as channel is pinched off. When channel is pinched off, the depletion width W is equals to A. That means 2A is equals to 2W. You can call it. So therefore A equals to W. And applied reverse voltage is nothing but here VGS. Now So for this, see this here, see this sir. Here Na doping on P plus is Na. This is the channel. Here doping is Nd. This is lightly doped one. So Na is much greater than Nd. That means from this we can write 1 by Na is much less than 1 by Nd. So you can write 1 by Na plus 1 by Nd is approximately 1 by Nd in that case. And the second thing is applied reverse voltage VR is nothing but a VGS. Okay, now the depletion region I am writing is, therefore depletion region W can be written as square root of 2 epsilon by Q into 1 by Na plus 1 by Nd became 1 by Nd into V0 plus VGS. That's it. Now at VGS is equals to pinch off voltage, W became A. Therefore at VGS equals to pinch off voltage, W is equals to A. Now we can write, therefore A is equals to, substituting the value here, equals to square root of 2 epsilon by Q into Nd into V0 plus Vp, pinch off voltage. Therefore from this V0 plus Vp is A square into Qnd by 2 epsilon. Now therefore pinch off voltage is written as A square Qnd by 2 epsilon minus V0, contact potential. So we know V0 is the contact potential. Its value is Vt into ln of Na Nd by Ni square. So where V0 is Vt into ln of Na into Nd by Ni square. That is the V0 value. And this is the equation for pinch off voltage. So Vp is, and most of the cases generally Vp is much greater than V0. Okay, so we can write this one is see Vp is greater than, much greater than V0. Therefore we can write pinch off voltage is approximately A square into Qnd by 2 epsilon. This is the expression for pinch off voltage. Expression for pinch off voltage. Is it okay, sir? That is the final expression for pinch off voltage. Okay. Now I am going to deriving this in another way, another form of representation. See this. Yeah. See this. Already just before we mentioned depletion region width is square root of 2 epsilon by Qnd into V0 plus VGS. Okay, and what I am assuming is generally VGS what we are applying is greater than V0. Let VGS is much greater than V naught. Now therefore we can write W is square root of 2 epsilon by Q into QND into VGS. From this I am writing VGS value is W square into QND by 2 epsilon. Just before we defined W, but we know A is equals to B plus W. A is equals to B plus W, and in that from this W is A minus B. Therefore VGS is W is nothing but A minus B. I am substituting that value. Okay, or you can take just A common in this, 1 minus B by A. Therefore VGS is equals to W square means A square into 1 minus B by A into QND by 2 epsilon. So from this I am writing this one is A square into QND by 2 epsilon into 1 minus B by A. This is the VGS value. Therefore our final equation is, we got VGS is A square into QND by 2 epsilon into 1 minus B by A. So our VGS value is now, therefore our VGS is A square into QND by 2 epsilon into 1 minus B by A. But we know the value of pinch off voltage, but pinch off voltage VP is A square into QND by 2 epsilon. 2 epsilon. Sir, and one more thing, here is square is there because we have a W square there. See, here we have W square. So A square into this one square. VP. Therefore I am writing VGS is VP into 1 minus B by A whole square. Okay, so from this B by A is written as, just take this one this side, square it, and 1 minus square root of VGS by VP. This is the equation for B by A. In previous, and VGS by VP is 1 minus B by A whole square. In previous GATE examination, they asked this relation. They asked the question about on this relation. So my dear students, you should be thorough with all possible forms of respective equation. So in this session we derived an equation for pinch off voltage. Okay, so this is the today's session. So this is about today's session. Thank you. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. Next session we go and discuss about the remaining part of the operation of the JFET. Okay, don't forget JFET is very important. So MOSFET is also very important. You have to give high priority to MOSFET because most of the fabrication is in on MOSFET. Okay, now thanks for spending your valuable time with us. Don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription and to unlock the examinations test series. And click on this, hit the bell icon for getting notifications. And don't forget to subscribe us. And please join our Telegram group to get the latest updates on our upcoming videos. And thanks for giving your valuable comments on us. And if not, please give the comments on us. And once again, I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy.